Labing lamig. Oh, actor to eh. Sadya yan eh. Para may content. Ah, here's your ball. Buyog na laki. Sobrang laki na mo boyog. Yes, so big look. Yes. Hello. We are here walking. Madali ma. Hello. Nasa gilid kami ng daan. Careful. Oh, yan. Oh, ang ganda. So nice. Careful. Marami pala nag-fishing dito guys. Mostly kabayan. Hello.
Ito na guys.
Ah, here.
Saan mo kayo guys?
Tira po guys. Ay, hello. Look, pinatay ko yung worm. Sorry worm. Look guys. My worm. You want to go down?
No.
Oh, careful. You want to ride? You want flower? Oh, you like flowers? What's that you're looking at? Only trees? Okay, let's go. Welcome to a nice place to chill.
Playground.
Yay! We're in the playground. We are in the playground. There. Love team, oh. Wow, what's that? A flower. Nice flower. Let's go. So dito may playground. Ang ganda. Tapos ang open ng area. Talaga makakahinga dito. Rock climbing. Ang gamay. Rock climbing. Lolo. Wow! You did it! Slide! Go slide!
Slide na.
Yeah. Big slide! Natakot sa konti. Big slide! Nag-break siya eh. Buti hadlock siya. You don't like the flowers? Grasshopper?
Grass.
Oh, wow. I told you. Let go of the stone so you can. Let go of the stone. So you can use your hands. Let go of the stone so you can use your hands. Iyan ang slide. Ang stones. Gusto kasi niya slide tong stones eh. Oh. Wow. Pinaka-slide niya. Go, your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn. Oh. Yun na yung mga playground dito. Sample. May yung may-ari pa ito nandito oh. May-ari oh. May-ari ng lupa at playground. Di sana to sa government. Parang gano'n nila tourist spot. Tapos after nito, sana may time tayo. May time tayo mag check out sa view. Yun, ang ganda. Swing kayo dyan. Ang sweet naman. Tapos by the lake. Yan, ang ganda. So third week na po tayo dito sa New Finland. And man, I gotta say that talagang blessed po talaga kami na dito kami na napunta na probinsya kasi yung hinahangad po talaga namin is yung work-life balance at saka nandito po talaga, like literally hindi po lang po sa by word but it does exist here. So yun, praise the Lord. Maraming salamat Panginoon. You slowly go up. Kiba mo siya ni ma. Alam niya to kasi mayroon ito ganito sa sa previous laruan niya, mas lang.
This is scary one.
Careful.
This is a scary one. Here.
Natutugtog po ako ng yung slidean. Ang ganda. Ay, Lord, thank you. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi. Kaya, pambata lang yan eh.
Matira matibay.
Excavator era.
Oh, napad to.
Wow. Wow. Dito tayo yung may Why are you afraid? Oh, careful, Era.
Punta tayo dito last time.
Hoy, baka makuhaan siya ma.
Anong no swimming?
What's that? You throw, go throw.
No, no,
Yeah.
Shells. It's shells.
not to this.
Whoa! Careful ha. Tayo ngayon sa Bartlett's Point. Antay ng sunset. Tuwa si baby. Oh, dahan-dahan. Slowly. Whoop! Ligo ka. That's big. Dito tayo. Ganda dito. Mga bato-bato. Nandun sila. Grabing lamig. Oh, actor to eh. Sadya yan eh.
Wow!
Para may content. Here's your ball. Bye bye. Thank you. Magandang view, Lord. Thank you, nature.
Lola,
Like
batang
that?
Lola.
Batang Lola? Ha?
Like that. Okay. Can I try?
This is E.
This one, flower. Yeah, see? Nice flower. Hi, flower.
Inangat na ganun.
Nahulog eh. Nahulog yung bata. Era,
Ito.
Rocks. Oo, noon ng fire.
kaya pala Bartlett's Point tawag dito guys kasi may ano dito, may bahay dito nasunog.
Barangay. Barangay.
I
Bayo.
want to go there.
Oh, you want to go? No, it's already late there. Later.
See this?
Our house. Our house.
House.
Pwede mag-park saan? Slowly, Era. Nice.
Ito sabot.
Careful, Era. Ang dami nag-fishing dito, guys. Saka nasi-chill lang. Bartlett's Point Park. Ang ganda. Dito maraming barko dito. Pwede tayo magrenta para fishing. Mama, hello. Anong masasabi mo?
Maganda.
Maganda.
Fine.
Fine.
Is this one?
Yeah, those are stones. So be careful, ha?
This one?
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
Yes, nice catch. Yan, may isda. Nice catch, mackerel. It looks like a mackerel. Oh, you are building something? You are building this? Hmm.
Wow.
Camper van. Guys, sobrang ganda. You know? Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. Baka next time mag-fishing na tayo. May maraming makarel daw dito nakuhuli. So try natin. Ibrap naman ang kuwan mo.
Herming, fishery. Fisherman.
Say bye park.
No, park.
Bye bye park. Why? Bye-bye pa, heart. Pwede na tayo mag-cutting guys pag Christmas ng pine tree dito. Pero, yun. No cutting and no fire. Patay. Yes, this is highway. Wow, look at this guys. Ang dami, look at this. Sobrang daming cotton yata to. Galing sa kahoy na yan. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out. More videos po sa baba. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you po.